Good morning, class. Today we are going to talk about a new class, and we have to talk about people and professions in the past. But before we have to look here. Do you remember this? What happened here? Do you remember the last history about gold rush in California? Yes? Okay. Today we have to use was and were. This is the verb to be in past. Was and were, it means era o estaba. Okay, now listen, please. Listen and read.
Lucky or unlucky? Sarah and Tom were from Ireland. Before the gold rush, they were poor and unhappy. Tom was a carpenter and Sarah was a cook. Tom and Sarah were in California in 1849. It was very exciting. After the gold rush, they were rich and happy. They were very lucky. Jim and Kate were from Australia. Before the gold rush, they were poor, but they were happy. Jim was a builder and Kate was a maid. Jim and Kate were in California from 1851 to 1853. It wasn't easy. After the gold rush, they were still poor. They weren't lucky.
Okay, exercise 12, play, read every word. So here, Sarah and Tom were, because this is plural. If I use only one person, for example, Tom, I have to use was, okay? Was. Good. Now, exercise 13, listen and repeat. Listen, repeat, and learn. Past tense of be. Exercise 13. Listen.
Past tense of be. I was poor. It was easy. We were farmers. I wasn't poor. It wasn't easy. We weren't farmers. Was he a teacher?
Yes, he was. No, he wasn't.
Was it exciting?
Yes, it was. No, it wasn't.
Were you lucky?
Yes, I was. No, I wasn't.
Were they lucky?
Yes, they were. No, they weren't.
Okay, here you have to use was when we use, for example, I, he, she, it. These are singular pronouns, okay? I, he, she, it. Or when we use a name, for example, he, I have to use Robert. She, Mary, okay? Was. When we use were with a personal pronouns, you, we, they. These are plural pronouns. Okay, for example, they were farmers. These are affirmative sentences. Now, for negative, we have to use wasn't. This is the short form, okay? Negative. Wasn't, weren't, okay? When we use wasn't, for I, he, she, it. Weren't, we, you, they, weren't. For question, we have to change the order of the words. For example, was he a teacher? Yes, he was. Or no, he wasn't. Were you lucky? Yes, you were lucky. Yes, you were. Now here, we can use he, she, remember, he, she, was. In this case, wasn't. No, he or she wasn't. No, it wasn't. No, I wasn't. No, we weren't. Or no, they weren't. Okay? Now the next exercise here you have exercise 14. Be a grammar detective. Do you remember this detective? Yes? Look at page 37 in the AB. When do we use was and were? I repeat, use was with a personal pronoun I, he, she, it, and were with you, we, and they. What is the short form of was not and were not? Here you have the short form wasn't. For was not is wasn't. For were not is weren't. Okay? Now you have to tell me sentences using was and were. Everybody have to participate. Now the next. Here you have to count these words, the sílabas. Las sílabas las van a contar aquí. ¿Cuántas sílabas tiene cada palabra? Pay attention.
Number 1. Actor. Baker. Inventor. Builder. Number 2. Scientist. Politician. Journalist. Musician. Number 3. Lucky. Happy. Poor. Easy. Number 4. Exciting. Dangerous. Unlucky. Disappointed.
Okay, exercise 16. Listen and answer the questions. Look here.
Number 1.
Was Jessica happy? Yes, she was.
Number 2.
What was Tina's favorite food? It was chicken.
Number 3.
Was Laura naughty? No, she wasn't.
Number 4.
What was Adam's favorite toy? It was a yellow car.
Number 5.
Was Ryan noisy? Yes, he was.
Number 6.
What was Ryan's favorite food?
It was spaghetti.
Number 7.
Was Nicholas quiet?
No, he wasn't.
Number 8.
What was Jessica's favorite toy?
It was a red bike.
Good. Now exercise 17. Play when you were little. Okay? Were you shy? No, I was. What's your favorite food? Spaghetti? Yes, it was. What's your favorite toy? A red car? Yes, it was. Are you Ryan? Yes, I am. Now the next, exercise 18. Ask your friends, were you shy when you were little? No, I wasn't. What's your favorite? What was your favorite food? It was cereal. Okay, good. Write 5 sentences about when you were little. Remember, in class we have to do exercises on page 94 and 95. See you soon. Take care, please. Bye.